Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Wave. Updating your Bluetooth driver in Windows 11 is easy and can help fix connection issues. Here's how to do it. First, open Device Manager. Press Windows plus X and select Device Manager from the menu. Locate Bluetooth in the list. Click the arrow to expand it, then right-click your Bluetooth adapter. It might be listed as Intel Realtek or another manufacturer and choose Update Driver. In the pop-up window, select Search automatically for drivers. Windows will look for latest version and install it if available. If doesn't work, you can manually download the driver. Visit your Bluetooth adapter manufacturer's website. Search for your device model, download the driver and install it by running the file. Finally, restart your PC to apply the changes and ensure the updated driver works properly. Thank you for watching How to Wear. Like, share and subscribe for more quick tech tips.